This is your room. This is your room.
Voilà ta chambre.
Make yourself at home. Make yourself at home.
Faites comme chez vous.
Have a seat. Have a seat.
Assieds-toi, je t'en prie.
Let's go into the lounge. Let's go into the lounge.
Allons au salon.
Let's go into the dining room. Let's go into the dining room.
Allons dans la salle à manger.
I'd prefer it if you went outside. I'd prefer it if you went outside.
Je préférerais que tu ailles dehors.
Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming.
Merci d'être venu.
Have a safe journey home. Have a safe journey home.
Bon retour.
This flight has been cancelled. This flight has been cancelled.
Ce vol a été annulé.
This train has been delayed. This train has been delayed.
Ce train a été retardé.
Yes, I went there on holiday. Yes, I went there on holiday.
Oui, j'y suis allé en vacances.
No, I've never been there. No, I've never been there.
Non, je n'y suis jamais allé.
Enjoy your trip. Enjoy your trip.
Passe un beau séjour.
I'd like to travel to Spain. I'd like to travel to Spain.
J'aimerais aller en Espagne.
I'd like to book a trip to Berlin. I'd like to book a trip to Berlin.
J'aimerais réserver un voyage à Berlin.
Sorry, I'm not from around here. Sorry, I'm not from around here.
Désolé, je ne suis pas d'ici.
I'm looking for this address. I'm looking for this address.
Je cherche cette adresse.
It's this way. It's this way.
C'est par ici.
It's that way. It's that way.
C'est par là.
You're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way.
Vous êtes dans la mauvaise direction.